In this video, you're going to discover how I've used AI to make over $1,000 in a day and how you can copy me. My name's Fred, and I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day with my online business. Imagine it's the year 2000. The internet is brand new. Most people think it's a fad, a toy, something for nerds and tech weirdos. But a small group of people, a very small group, they look at it and they go, this is about to change everything. And they build businesses on top of it before anyone else even understands what's happening. Those people became millionaires. Some of them even became billionaires with a B. The people who waited. The people who said, I'll figure it out later. The people who thought it was too complicated or too risky. They spent the next 2 decades working for the people who didn't wait. That is exactly what is happening right now with AI. It's the same movie with different actors. The wealth transfer is already in motion, and it doesn't care whether you're ready or not. It doesn't care how old you are, where you grew up, or what your degree says. Wealth transfers are the great equalizer. They wipe out the old advantages and create brand new ones. And the only thing that determines which side you end up on is whether you move or whether you wait. Right now, the people who are learning to use AI as an actual business weapon, not as a toy they mess around with for 10 minutes and then close the tab, those people are pulling ahead so fast, it's almost unfair. I'm talking about one person doing the work of an entire team. I'm talking about content, products, sales, and systems all running at once without burning out, without a huge staff, without a massive budget. That's what AI makes possible right now, today, for you and I. And the window is open, but as with any opportunity, it's not gonna stay open forever. So the question you need to ask yourself is simple. Are you gonna take advantage of it? Or are you gonna watch other people take advantage of it? I know which side I wanna be on. You've gotta make that same choice for yourself. If you wanna discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the business model I use. The whole business runs on 2 things: getting free traffic and high-margin digital products. That's it. It's only 2 things. So let me break both of them down. Free traffic means you make videos on YouTube, you create content, you show up consistently, and you provide value to people. And YouTube does the rest. The algorithm puts your content in front of people who are already searching for what you're talking about, people who show an interest in this kind of content. You don't pay for ads, you don't cold call anyone, you don't spam people in their DMs. You just create and publish, and the platform sends you an audience for free every single day, on repeat, forever. Once a video is up, it keeps working. I've got videos I made a year ago, still pulling in views and leads and customers right now as you're watching this. That's the power of YouTube. It's not like every other social media platform where your post dies in 24 hours. YouTube is a search engine, like Google. Your content compounds over time like interest in a bank account. Now the second piece, digital products. This is where the money actually comes from. Don't just rely on the few dollars you're gonna make from AdSense revenue. I'm talking about courses, high-ticket coaching, group programs, even monthly membership communities on platforms like Skool, S-K-O-O-L. And here's the number that should stop you in your tracks. Digital products have roughly a 90% profit margin. Think about what that actually means. If I sell a $1,000 course as an example, I keep $900 of it. There's no inventory I have to buy. There's no warehouse. There's no shipping cost. There is no physical product that can get damaged or returned. I build the product once and I can sell it thousands of times, even infinite times. This is leverage that most traditional businesses will never ever have. A restaurant owner selling a $20 meal keeps maybe $3 of it after food costs, rent, staff, and all the overhead. If I sell a $997 course, I can keep almost all of it. The model is simple. YouTube brings the people in, digital products convert them into cash, and AI is what lets me run the whole machine without it eating up my entire life. Now let me show you exactly how AI plugs into every single part of it. Content is oxygen for this business. No content means no traffic. No traffic means no sales. It's that simple. But here's the trap that kills most people who try to build on YouTube. The content creation grind will absolutely destroy you if you're trying to do everything manually. I'm talking about coming up with video ideas, writing the scripts, filming, editing, creating thumbnails, writing titles and descriptions. If you try to do all of that by yourself, every single week, you will probably burn out. I mean, in fact, I guarantee it. It's happened to me back in 2021. I had another channel. I only had one, but I was doing all the work manually. AI wasn't really a thing like it is today. And I've seen so many people start strong, post 5 or 6 videos, and then they just vanish because they hit a wall, they burnt out, and they just couldn't push through it anymore. AI completely removes that wall. So here's exactly how I use it. I use it to generate ideas. Instead of sitting in front of a blank page for 2 hours trying to figure out what to make a video about, I feed AI the right prompts about my niche, my audience, and what they're searching for, and it generates a list of high potential video ideas in about just a few minutes. Or I remake popular videos which are already on the platform. That's what I do mainly. I've never had a creative block and I post a lot of content. I use the AI for scripts too. I give AI my tone, my talking points, my angle, and it gives me a working draft in minutes that I clean up and make my own in 10-15 minutes. What used to take me a full day of writing now takes me 30 to 45 minutes per video. For hooks, for titles, for thumbnail angles, for descriptions, AI handles the heavy lifting so I can stay focused on actually showing up on camera and delivering value and selling my products. The result is that I can post consistently without it taking over my entire life, and I can post a lot more than my competition. And consistency is the single most important factor on YouTube. Not even production quality, not budget, not how good looking you are, just showing up again and again and again. And you don't need that many views to make good money. AI makes that possible for one person with a camera and a laptop. Now, let me kill the biggest excuse I hear from people who want to sell digital products. I don't know how to build a course. It seems like it's gonna take forever. If you think that, I get it. I used to think the exact same thing. I thought you needed months of planning, a professional video setup, a whole team helping you put it together. But that's the old way of doing things. The AI way is completely different. Here's what it actually looks like now. Say I want to build a course on how to lose weight. It has to be something my audience desperately wants. I sit down and I tell AI my topic, my target audience, and the transformation I want to give them by the end of the course. In minutes, AI builds out the entire course structure, every module, every lesson, every learning objective, laid out in a logical sequence that actually makes sense. Then I just record myself going through it, me, a camera, talking exactly like I'm talking to you right now. That's the product. AI then helps me create the workbooks, the cheat sheets, the bonus materials, the onboarding emails, the sales page copy, all of it. What would have taken 3 or 4 months of grinding now only takes a week, maybe 2 if I'm being really relaxed about it. And once the product is built, it's done. It lives on your course platform and it sells around the clock without you having to recreate it. 1 week of focused building can create an asset that generates income for years. This is the definition of working smart. This is what leverage actually looks like in practice. A real product that makes you money while you sleep. And AI is what makes it possible to build that fast enough that you don't lose momentum before you ever get started. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a cop. That was the plan. I thought it was meaningful. I thought it was the kind of job you could be proud of, and it wouldn't be boring. I'd always have something to do. I wanted the adrenaline. And then I started doing some research into what that kind of life would actually look like. Not the idea of it, the dream, the actual reality. I found out what cops actually got paid in France, in my home country. We're talking $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And I sat with that number for a long time. Because I kept thinking, you're telling me someone can wake up every single day, put their life on the line, miss their kids' birthdays, work nights and weekends, carry all of that weight, and bring home $2,500 a month? I grew up broke, like actually broke. And growing up without money does something to you that people who didn't grow up that way don't fully understand. It makes you feel like you're in a box. Like no matter what direction you go in, there's always a wall. Like the ceiling is lower for you than it is for other people. And it's toxic, like you can't really breathe. I felt that feeling my entire childhood, and I promised myself I was gonna get out of that box no matter what it took. So when I saw what cops made, what most people with jobs made, I made a decision. I was never going to trade my life, my time, my freedom for a salary ever. Because here's what I figured out, and this is the thing I really need you to hear. To be truly free, you need money. Not just a little money, real money. And a job, even a good job, gives you just enough to survive and not quite enough to actually live. Real freedom means waking up when you want. It means working from anywhere in the world. It means your income isn't tied to how many hours you clock in. And the only vehicle I could see that actually delivered that kind of freedom was an online business. Something you could run from a laptop on a beach in Thailand just as easily as from your bedroom. So I went all in on that. At 21 years old, I woke up and I saw a notification on my phone. At 4 a.m., someone had purchased my online course for $997 while I was sleeping. I hadn't done a single thing. The system just ran on its own, and a complete stranger on the internet sent me $1,000 in the middle of the night. Like, I stared at the dashboard for like 5 full minutes in the dark. And right there I made myself a promise. I will never quit this. No matter how slow it gets, no matter how many people doubt it, no matter how many bad months come, I am never gonna go back to the alternative. That moment is the reason I'm talking to you right now. And I want you to have that moment. I genuinely, truly want you to experience something like that. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now this is the most important thing I'm gonna say in this entire video, and I need you to really absorb it. The number one reason people aren't making money with AI right now is not because the tools aren't good enough. The tools are incredible. The reason is because they're using AI like a toy instead of using it like a business tool. So here's what I mean. Most people open up an AI tool, ask it something random, get an answer that's kind of interesting, and then they close the tab and they go back to doing whatever they were doing before. That's playing. You're not building anything. If you want to actually make money with AI, you need to make a mental shift right now. You need to start treating AI like an employee, a very talented, very fast, never sleeping, never complaining employee that you are responsible for directing. Think about how you'd manage a real employee. You don't sit them down and just hope they figure out what you need. You give them clear instructions. You give them context about your business and your goals. You give them specific tasks with specific outcomes you expect. You hold them to a certain standard. This is exactly how you need to operate with AI. The clearer your direction, the better the output. The more context you give it, the more it sounds like you instead of a generic robot. The more specific your tasks, the more useful the results. The people making real money with AI right now are not the ones who understand it the most technically. They're not coders or engineers or tech geniuses. They're the ones who got crystal clear on what they wanted to build and learned to direct AI to help them build it. Direction and execution. You direct, AI executes. Once you operate that way, once you stop being a passive user and start being an active director, everything speeds up. Your content production gets faster. Your products get built faster. Your business grows quicker. Because now, you're not a solo operator trying to do everything alone. You've got an entire team of AI tools working on your behalf around the clock for practically nothing. The barrier to starting an online business right now is the lowest it's ever been in history. There's never been a better moment. Not in 2010 when YouTube was young, not in 2015 when online courses were blowing up, not at any point before right now. The tools are better, the platforms are bigger, the audiences are larger, and AI has made the execution faster than ever. So let me ask you straight up, what are you waiting for? What is the real reason you haven't started yet? Because every day you sit on the sidelines is a day someone else is building the audience, making the sales, and stacking the income that could have been yours. Your future self is either going to look back at this moment and say, this was when everything changed, or they're going to wonder why you watched the whole video and still didn't do anything. So now's the time to make your move. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.